What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot from your terminal. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the command you need which will enable a screen capture is screen capture -x -t JPG and give it a name or whatever, hello.jpg. Press enter, and to check the screenshot all you gotta do is open, and there you go. That's the screenshot that we captured on the Mac with the terminal. That's where the screenshot is, in your home directory. So if I go to Finder, here it is, hello. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.